golden, crispy air fryer crab rangoons filled with a rich blend of cream cheese, crab meat and savoury seasonings. Better than takeout and made right at home. Perfect for appetizers, parties or whenever the craving hits. This easy air fryer recipe delivers all the crunch without deep frying. Serve with sweet chili sauce or soy sauce for the ultimate bite. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Crab Rangoon. Let's begin. (165 grams cream cheese), quarter cup green onions, add a teaspoon of soy sauce, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, (1 tablespoon chilli oil), it's totally optional. Half teaspoon garlic powder or paste. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. Salt to taste. Add pinch of sugar. Three-quarters cup crab meat, approximately 5 to 6 crab sticks. Cut into 1-inch pieces. Shred with your fingers. Transfer the crab meat into bowl. Mix well. Mix with help of fork until combined well. Our crab rangoon stuffing is ready. Take wonton pastry sheets. separate sheets as shown. Now take spoonful stuffing. Place stuffing in the centre of wonton wrap. Apply water on all the corners with finger. Pinch the opposite corner to each other to make triangle. Press all wonton wraps sides with both hands and twist so they will stick properly. Repeat the same procedure for all. Put 1 tablespoon filling into the centre. Apply water on all the corners with finger. Press opposite corner together. Do the same with other corners. Repeat the same procedure for all. Put 1 tablespoon filling into the centre. Apply water on all the corners with finger. Seal it properly. Wonton is ready to air fry or deep fry. Preheat the air fryer. Place crab rangoons in air fryer basket. Mist the basket with oil. Bake in a preheated air fryer at 190 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. Time may vary depending on the type or size of the air fryer. Our crab rangoons are ready to serve. Dish out. Serve with sweet chili sauce. Dish out. Garnish with green onions. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.